Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Little Genius Chubby. So for this video I'll be showing you how to light or glow two LEDs and a buzzer with a slide switch. So let's get started. So first I'll need two LEDs, then I'll need a slide switch, then I'll need a 9-volt battery, and then I'll need a piezo buzzer. Now I will flip the batteries so that their anode or the positive side is facing to the left hand side like this. I'll turn the slide switch like this and the battery like this, such that its positive is facing to the left hand side of the battery is positive is facing to the left hand side. Okay, now I'll take the common of the slide switch and connect it to the cathode of the first LED. I'll take the anode of the first LED to the cathode of the second LED. Then I'll take the anode of the second LED to the negative of the buzzer. Then I'll take the positive of the buzzer to the positive of the battery. Then I'll take the negative of the battery to the terminal 2 or terminal 1, it's your choice. I'm connecting it to terminal 2 of the slide switch. Let's test if it's working or not. When I click on start simulation and then when I click on slide switch, it works. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Little Genius Chubby, and if you have any doubt then comment it in the comment section down below. Thank you.